Alrighty, so let's take a look at this new level trade on the Swiss franc JPY. Show you guys why this this swing trade trading strategy is so good. Such a stress-free way to trade, right? You can, like I always say, you can instantly give yourself a raise by just learning how to trade. I'm gonna show you guys how you trade without being a day trader, right? So what we have here, we have a Swiss franc JPY sell trade. We're looking at it on a daily time frame. Let me go through the rundown and show you guys why I took the trade. As you can see, in order to know what price is going to reverse, you gotta first know where price starts, right? So price started here, came up here, pulled back some, and took off again. Right? So we'll notice at this level right here of resistance, if you see this little blue line, that's our resistance level. When price came to this line before, let's take a look at what happened. It came here, almost made it here, pushed off. Came here again, overran it a little bit, but for the most part, it pushed off. And if you go back even further, you'll see, let me get back to that level. Let me find a place where price went up really high. I may have to go to you know what? I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go back that far. Nevertheless, but you guys get my point. You'll see when price makes it to that level, it pushes off. So we was expecting the same thing for it to happen here. We already knew what happened in the past, so we was expecting the same thing to take place in the future, right? That's what trading is. Price repeats itself. So when price came up to this level, I was already looking for a reversal, but I had to wait to get my signal because we do take our signals on a daily time frame. This is the candle based on the new level rules that gave us the signal to go short. So once I got to this candle, remember this candle has to close first, right? So we don't go short during this candle. This candle has to tell us that, hey, price more than likely wants to continue to fall, right? So after this candle closes, that's our signal candle. So this is the candle, this is the day that starts our trading right here. Now we'll drop back to the 4-hour time frame. 1 second, guys, I gotta move some stuff around here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, like I said, this is the day that gave us a signal to go short. This is our actual trading day right here. First day we start trading, and we just simply put our entry order because this is a set it and forget it strategy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our entry order at the break of the last candle of the day that told us to go short. I shouldn't say last candle. We put our entry order at the break of the lowest candle that told us to go short, right? So this is where we put our entry order, our sell stop entry order. Our stop loss goes behind the swing high of the previous week. So that's why it's right here. And then we just set it and forget it, and we just wait. Either we're gonna be proven wrong that price does not want to go short based on price coming back and trading higher than it did the previous week, or at some point we're gonna hit our take profit. Now, we're not at the take profit yet, but we are up 84 pips currently, and we were up, that's another 23 pips. So we were up about 107 pips so far today. But like I said, this is swing trading, so it takes a little time for these trades to play out, right? So we're gonna just wait until this trade plays out. Either it's gonna come back and hit the stop, or it's gonna go ahead and hit our take profit. But on this trade, we can get a 1-to-1, a 1.5-to-1, or even a 2-to-1, depending on your trading style and depending on how long you would like to stay in this trade. But yeah, but that's a great new level setup, and this is the way that I trade. I've been trading like this for years now. I've been profitable for a lot of years now. I don't like to go back and count it. It's been a while now, but I trade this style. Now another entry option, we can come back, we can get our entry here, but we can sit back and monitor the 4-hour time frame, and we can wait for this pullback into this structure right here, and then we could have went short here. Yeah, but here's the thing with that. That's an even better entry. But, or we could have took the entry here when it came back and retested it again. Both of these are better entries, but this is a set it and forget it trading strategy. So I don't like to monitor the charts at all, not even a 4-hour time frame. I like to get a signal, place my order, place my stop where it makes sense. So it doesn't make sense to me, since we're on this, let's talk about this stop loss. So it doesn't make sense to me if I am saying that I don't believe price is going to trade higher than the swing high. It wouldn't make sense to me to put a stop loss anywhere near the entry, if anywhere near the entry, if it's not as far back as the swing high, because I'm saying that I don't believe price is going to trade beyond it. So why would I put a stop loss anywhere other than the swing high? I know it gives you a better risk to reward to place stop loss closer, place your stop loss closer, but it doesn't help me sleep at night, and I like getting my sleep at night. It's all about the sleep to me. Nevertheless, I make a lot of money with this strategy as well. So that's my new level setup for today. Today is April 22nd, 2025. I'm just watching this trade mosey on down to a 1-to-1 take profit. I may go ahead and close it out, but hey, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Gotta have a love for this trading stuff, and I do love it. All right, guys. If you want to learn how to trade this strategy, you can book a session at learnandtradeforex.com. You can message me at learnandtradeforex.com. You can check out the other resources and tools that we offer at learnandtradeforex.com as well. Get an idea of the trading strategy even before you decide to book a session. The session booking is just to really answer any questions that you may have regarding the strategy, get a better understanding of the strategy and the entry, take profit, things like that. That's what the one-on-one session is for. But there's resources on the website to actually give you a general understanding of the strategy so that you don't come into the session not knowing anything. I would prefer it that way anyway. But yeah, follow us at learnandtradeforex.com. Follow us on YouTube. You can even like our Facebook page at Learn and Trade Forex, and we can develop a community of traders, and we can all trade good, trade well, and make money. Alrighty, guys. Have a good day.